Buttering. Praising someone too much to gain favor. He kept buttering the boss with compliments to get a promotion. The student tried buttering the teacher before asking for help. Cunningly. In a clever and slightly tricky way. The fox cunningly escaped from the trap in the forest. He cunningly solved the puzzle before anyone else noticed. Willfully. Doing something on purpose, even when you know it is wrong. He willfully ignored the warning and continued driving fast. The child willfully broke the rule despite being told not to. Vicegerent. A person who rules or acts for a king or leader. The king sent his vicegerent to rule the land while he traveled far away. People respected the vicegerent because he made decisions for the ruler. Sovereignty. The power of a country to rule itself. The nation fought hard to protect its sovereignty and independence. Every country values its sovereignty and freedom to make its own laws. Inaugural. The first event or beginning of something important. The president gave his inaugural speech in front of a huge crowd. The school held its inaugural ceremony to celebrate the opening day. Progenitor. A person who starts or creates something, an ancestor. He is known as the progenitor of the modern teaching method. The scientist became the progenitor of a new idea in medicine. Essence. The most important part or true nature of something. The essence of friendship is trust and kindness between people. Hard work is the essence of success in any field. Primeval. Very ancient, from the earliest time in history. The forest looked primeval with huge trees and deep silence. The cave paintings showed primeval life from thousands of years ago. Archetype. The perfect or original example of something. The brave knight became the archetype of a hero in many stories. She is often seen as the archetype of a caring teacher. Terrestrial. Related to the earth or land. Humans are terrestrial beings who live and move on land. Many animals are terrestrial and spend most of their life on land. Hankering. A strong desire for something. He had a hankering for homemade food after living abroad. She felt a hankering to travel and see new places. Versatile. Able to do many different things well. She is a versatile artist who can paint, sing, and write beautifully. A versatile worker can handle many tasks without difficulty. Dominate. To control or have great power over something. The strong team managed to dominate the game from the start. Fear should never dominate your decisions in life. Ewer. A large jug used for holding and pouring water. The servant carried a silver ewer filled with fresh water. The old ewer stood on the table beside a bowl. Elevated. Raised higher or placed in a higher position. The bridge is elevated so cars can pass safely underneath it. Her mood felt elevated after hearing the good news. Entrenchment. A strong position that is difficult to change. The army built deep entrenchment to protect themselves from attack. His ideas became so strong that they turned into firm entrenchment. Impregnable. Impossible to break into or defeat. The castle walls were so strong they seemed completely impregnable. Their confidence made the team feel almost impregnable. Formidable. Very strong, powerful, or difficult to defeat. The champion proved to be a formidable opponent in the match. The mountain looked formidable to the tired climbers. Superseded. Replaced by something newer or better. Old phones were superseded by modern smartphones. His plan was superseded by a better and safer idea. Commensurate. Equal or matching in size, value, or importance. Hard work should bring rewards commensurate with the effort. Her salary is commensurate with her skills and experience. Exalted. Very honored, respected, or placed in a high position. The teacher was exalted by the community for helping many poor students. After the victory, the hero felt exalted and proud of his effort. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.